guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today's video is all about self-growth. Self-growth during the quarantine. What are the things that you can do and have personal development during this period of lockdown? So let's check it out. The first one that we'll be talking about is taking up an online course on anything that you've been wanting to learn.
Example, I have taken up courses on digital marketing. You could check out courses which are free, paid, with certifications as per your interests. My favorite online learning platforms include Coursera, Allison, Harvard University, and Skillshare, of course. Do give your suggestions as well if you guys are following any of the other platforms in the comment box.
Second one, pick up a book or an online podcast or an audiobook and finish reading it or listening to it in one complete day.
My current read is Ikigai, which is a Japanese secret to a long and happy life. You, of course, could choose something that you like.
Third one, start cooking. So take inspiration either from your mom's recipes or your grandmom's recipes, or just watch a normal YouTube tutorial or an Instagram tutorial for all that matters. Try making anything, even if it's as small as Maggie. Cooking is therapeutic and I want you all to feel the sense of achievement that I have felt after cooking. So I want for all my viewers that they can celebrate and enjoy the small wins rather than just sitting and wasting time at home. So start cooking. So guys, like you can see, my roti. Completely full of air, fluffy, nice.
These are some of my delicious wins. Would love to see yours. Do share.
Fourth one, journaling, but a productive one. I don't want you all to do journaling in the manner that is shown online or on the internet every now and then, and that is just put down all the things that you're grateful for or thankful for in life. What I want you all to do is journal about all those things that you want to do or you want to become after the lockdown. So I'm talking about making like a vision board, but just for the near future and not for the long time future, because who knows, future is uncertain, right?
Make sure your vision board is as colorful and as pictorial, because what you constantly see is what you start believing.
Fifth one, exercise, exercise and exercise.
My personal favorite is a live dance workout with Eshna from Dance Amaze. It's fun and full of energy. You could do anything as small as even taking part in your own household chores. Exercise releases happy hormones which help you to remain energetic and motivated.
So guys, I really hope you like this video. In case you liked it, please do hit the like button. Also do share it with as many people as you can. Also let me know in the comment box as to what are the next videos or topics that you want me to shoot a video on. Till then, stay home, stay safe and bye-bye. So guys, I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload it.